Testing. Okay, let me know if the sound got kind of crazy. I'm like recording while I'm on Zoom, so it might get a little choppy. But here is our week 3 assessment. I'm going to put these instructions, these video instructions right here. The learning target says that I can explain how the geography of the northern and southern colonies influenced the communities that developed there. And I'm going to do that by completing this week 3 place and identity assessment, and it's on a Jamboard today. So what we're about to do on Zoom is we're about to go to slide 8 from Tuesday's skill practice to see some quick feedback and an exemplar. And so we'll open that up in just a second. A couple of other resources that you might find helpful. Here's a link to the video overview from earlier this week. Here's a link to your week 3 notes, and that's got all the different documents and videos from the week in there. Here's your instructions, though. You're going to click here to download a copy of this assessment. You can talk out or type out your responses. And so if you want to record yourself screen sharing and just talking, of course you can. And also you can do that in Spanish. Puede usar su propio idioma si quiere leer o hablar sus respuestas. Puede poner clic aquí. Alrighty, and then when you're all done with the Jamboard, you're going to upload it to this Canvas page by going all the way to the top, clicking Start Assignment, and then actually, well, yeah, up at the top it'll say Start Assignment, and then you upload it with the Google Drive tab. So let me show you real quickly the Jamboard. Here it is. You'll have a copy of this that's just for you. And that first page just has kind of like some of the content exploration that I was already showing you. So you can kind of like, make these bigger, look around at it, just some review. Second page has got instructions, essentially saying, there's 4 different slides and your job is to show your knowledge of how the geography of the colonies influenced or shaped the communities that developed there. And then there's just a reminder to upload it back to Canvas. Upload this document to Canvas. So reminder here that you can type it out or talk it out. So if you do want to talk your responses out, you can just share your screen by clicking on this link here. Okay, your first one is going to be dragging and dropping. You're going to, move these little blue notes around the correct box. And this is a level 1 response, just kind of talking about which ones are describing the southern colonies, which ones are describing the northern colonies. Here you're doing a little bit of drawing. We did this during our skill practice. So you're going to draw a line from the left, from the geographical feature of the south, to a cultural feature over here on the right. So which one does that connect with? And then you've got 2 options for writing. The first one is talking about the north and explain how the rocky shoreline and forested mountains of the northern colonies are connected to the development of big port cities like Boston. And so you've got some sentence starters right here. You're just kind of filling in the blank. And then this last one is kind of a challenge question, but I really want everyone to try it because I've seen what you guys have been doing during your skill practices and during discussions. And so here it's talking about the South now, and you're supposed to kind of evaluate how did the geography and settlement patterns of the southern colonies with the large plantations contribute to a divided society of very wealthy plantation owners and very poor, often enslaved workers. And so you just type your response there or record yourself talking. Okay, I think that's all I got. Let me stop this recording and see how it went.